Sleep in silence with VitalSleep. If you're anything like me, my fiance's snoring issues were seriously keeping me up all night. So we decided to give this little mouthpiece a try. It's VitalSleep's anti-snoring mouthpiece, and we have both already experienced the transformative effects. He can't help but rave about the comfort, and we both agree on the effectiveness. It's a custom-fit, adjustable, and non-invasive solution. Don't let another night go by without peaceful sleep. Try this USA-made snoring solution risk-free with their 60-night money-back guarantee and 1-year warranty at VitalSleep.com. Reclaim the night with VitalSleep.